Hi, I'm Walt Lesnevich. In this video, I'd like to talk about today's jurors. As a trial lawyer of many years, who has tried many cases, personal injury cases, criminal cases, corporate law cases, I appear before juries. Juries are critically important to our government, our system of justice. And today's jurors have been affected by two very big trends. One is what is loosely called tort reform. The fact of the matter is today's jurors are very skeptical of plaintiffs' cases. Why? The insurance industry has spent $400 million attacking plaintiffs. And that advertising has taken a toll. When I started out, long ago, jurors would walk in and look at the plaintiff smiling. Now they're skeptical. They say, well, what are you here for? And are you fair, or are you just ripping off the system? We have to confront that head on, and we do. How do we know this, by the way? We do focus groups. We take people who are on the jury rolls, we take them in rooms when they volunteer and we pay them. They hear our cases, and then we talk and analyze and learn from them what they think about our cases, what they think about today's law. We also learn the second biggest trend is that jurors are used to getting a lot of information fast. They want TV or animation, colorful charts. They're used to modern technology bringing them information, and we need and do use that in the courtroom in our cases. How do we deal with this skepticism? First of all, we're very careful in our intake. The fact of the matter is that we probably take only about 1 or 5 or 10 of the cases that come to us. We have to believe to take that case. In medical malpractice, we may only take 1 out of 25 cases. But when we take a case, when we believe in it, we will go all out for the client to prove that case to a jury. The jury has a tough job. They have to make a decision, a big decision. And they're told that they must make it to the preponderance of the evidence. That's a very simple standard. More likely than not. But we know that in reality, the jury comes in and wants to be really convinced. And we want to convince them. So what do? We get expert witnesses. We go around the United States and find the medicine doctors, the professors, the biomechanics engineers and architects who can explain what happened. And not just the brightest ones who wrote the best papers, but the ones who can talk and explain to you, the jury, what happened. We use television, animation, video, colorful charts. We don't come in with an X-ray. We come in with a positive, illustrated example of what's going on in the human body. We need all of this to make it clear to the jury. We do focus groups. Many times we have a case all set to go to trial, run into a focus group and find out that we failed to explain something. Well, that focus group lets us go back and explain what the point is. All of this is necessary so that your story as a plaintiff is explained fairly to today's jurors, and so that you can receive from the jurors what you're here for, justice.